Add a touch of Mediterranean to your daily slaw with my Greek cabbage salad. You'll want to start off by slicing your onions and grating your carrots and cabbage and putting it all in a large bowl. Then for the dressing, in a smaller bowl, combine your olive oil, white wine vinegar, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and your oregano, some salt, liquid honey, Dijon mustard, and some freshly cracked pepper. Whisk everything until smooth, and then, to complete our salad, we'll add in some chopped Kalamata olives, and our feta cheese. Then toss your salad, give the dressing another little mix, and then pour it in your salad. Give everything a good toss, and then I like to place it in a serving platter and topping it with some more fresh dill, some more olives, and some feta cheese. What a great variation to your traditional coleslaw recipe. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.